Hello everyone, this is Prakriti and today I am here with the French basics, alphabets, numbers and self-introduction. So without any further ado, let's begin with alphabets. So in English and French have almost same alphabets. So first of all we have A, ale, to go. B is be, labato, which is a bat. C is se, and sha, a cat. D is de, dormir, to sleep, dormir. Next we have E, which is you, les cheveux, which is hair. F is F, for, is strong. G is, it is pronounced as J in French, J, le gaz, gas. H is ash, le wheel, a wheel. H is generally silent in all French words. Next we have I, which is E, finir, to finish. J, which is G, J is pronounced as G, jouer, to play. K is ka, and kangaroo. L, and livre, a book. So next is M, which is M, mon ami, my friend. N is N, la maison, birth. O is O, an ordinateur, a computer. P is pe, paye, to pay. Q is Q, which is ki, who. R is and repel, fear. S is S, and poison, a fish. T is te, and tart, a pie. U is ruse, which is joke or trick. V is way, voiture, a car. W is W, way, and wagon, which is train, and wagon. X is X, exercise, and exercise. Is E, and your, which is yogurt. Z is Z, and zebra. So now we'll study lavaye, which is vowels. So first of all we have A, avion, aeroplane. Avocat, advocate. Ale, to go. We have E, tu, liu. Elephant, which is elephant. So now we have I, which is livre, a book. Animal, image, a photo. O is stilo, dos, back, ordinateur. U, lecture, which is lecture. Autobus, which is bus. Sucre is sugar. Now we will study numbers, le nombre, from 1 to 100. So first of all we have 0. 1 is an, 2 is du, 3 is trois. So 4th is quatre, 5 is sec, 6 is six, 7 is sept, 8 is with. Remember I told you we have H silent. 9 is neuf, 10 is dix, 11 is ohms, 12 is deuce, 13 is treize, 14 is quatorze. Then we have 15 as quince, 16 is ses, 17 is dix, sept, dix, with, and dix, 19. Now I have pasted this PDF in the description box. You can go there and have a look on this and you can learn them. They are very important as we learn the French basics. So let's move on. So one of the most basic yet the most important thing, how to introduce yourself. So, je m'appelle Prakriti Raghuvanshi. My name is Prakriti Raghuvanshi. J'habite en Inde. I live in India. Je suis étudiant. I am a student. J'aime chanter et lire des livres. I like singing and reading the books. So, this was for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Merci beaucoup tout le monde.